Good morning, class 10. Student topic quadratic equation is continue. Exercise 4.4. Question number 3. Question is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? So there is a rectangle. The length is twice the breadth. L equal to let breadth is x, the length is 2x. Now area equal to length into breadth. It is 2x into x and area is 800 meters square. So 2x square equal to 800, x square equal to 400, x equal to, it is 20 square. So x equal to 20 meter. Then if so, find the length and breadth. So length equal to 2 into x, it is 40 meter, and breadth b equal to x, it is 20 meter. So here it is possible. So final solution is yes. You will write yes, and length equal to 40 meter and breadth equal to 20 meter. You will express your answer this way. Student, now next is question 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. Let their ages are x and y. Then x plus y equal to 20. Equation 1. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So 4 years ago, their ages were x minus 4 and y minus 4, and their product x minus 4 into y minus 4 equal to 48. Now multiplying them, it is x into y minus 4x minus 4y plus 16 equal to 48. Then x, value of y, 20 minus x minus 4 common, x plus y, and plus 16 minus 48 equal to 0. Then it is 20x minus x square minus 4. X plus y is 20 plus 16 minus 48 equal to 0. Then it is minus x square minus, it is for 80 minus 20, 60 minus 60 plus 60 minus 48 equal to 0. It is minus x square. Then their addition is 36. 32 minus 60 minus 32 equal to 0. X square equal to move plus minus x square equal to plus 92. Since it cannot be negated. Since x square cannot be negative. So this situation is not correct. Is not possible. Situation is not correct. And solution is not possible. Student, now question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area is 400 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. Student, let length equal to x and then breadth equal to is y. Since perimeter P equal to 2 into x plus y, it is breadth, it is the length, L for length. Then 80 equal to 2 into x plus y and x plus y equal to 40. Equation 1. Then x into y, which is the area, is 400. X into y is 40 minus x equal to 400, or 40x minus x square equal to 400. We will write it x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. Now let us find the discriminant d. It is d square minus 4ac minus 40 square minus 4. A is 1, c is 400. It is 1600 minus 1600 is 0. So here there are equal roots and value of x that is equal. Now we will find the length and breadth. Student, see, this is the perfect square. So we can write x minus 20 whole square equal to 0. From this, x equal to 20. This is also equal to y. Therefore, length equal to breadth and rectangle becomes a square. So, length equal to breadth equal to 20 meter. So length and breadth both are equal and that equal to 20 meter. That's all for the quadratic equation. Now this topic is completed.